What's up mga quiz, mga atis? Welcome back sa aking channel. This is Quiz Aran. Ang inyong araw, papanoorin natin yung the most awaited teaser trailer ng the most awaited sequel ng isa sa mga successful movie nung 2017, 18, 19, I don't know, 2019 ata, kung saan nanalo ng Oscar Best Actor si Joaquin Phoenix. Ang tinutukoy ko ang sequel ng The Joker o nung Joker na Joker, I forgot the French kasi yun eh, Foley and Dukes, yun. So, hindi ko na ito patatagalin, papanoorin natin yung teaser trailer at mamaya ibibigay ko yung reaction at opinion ko on the same movie. So, let's go!
Fleck, you got a joke for us today?
Joaquin Phoenix, Lady Gaga. Wow.
We use music to make us whole, to balance the fractures within ourselves.
Wow. May meaning yung apat na...
I haven't done anything with my life like you have. Let's get out of here.
Parang lalalan. Gaga.
Tell us, what's changed, Arthur?
I'll tell you what's changed. I'm not alone anymore. That's what we should be talking about.
I want to see the real you.
Joker, Foley and Dukes. October pa. Okay, tayo ko napanood natin yung teaser trailer ng sequel ng moving Joker na Joker, Foley and Dukes. Please correct mo sa aking pronunciation ng French words na yun. I'm not a French, so wala akong idea kung how it's being pronounced. Pero ito sa trailer, teaser pa lamang, pero mapapatakam ka talaga. Ganda-ganda, and there's a lot of things doon na talagang makikurious ka sa movie. And of course, pinakilala doon si Lady Gaga as the newly added character. Kasi ito sa Joker, nakasentro lang kay Joaquin Phoenix as Joker. But here, dinagdag si Lady Gaga, who will be playing Hardy, yung character na pinotray dati ni sino yun? Nabukat the name. Basta yung sa Suicide Squad, diba? Na unang nagpasikat to sa test na. I forgot the name. Nakakaroon na ako ng dementia ata to, nakakaroon ako ng mga name. So, yan, si Lady Gaga is playing the character of Hardy. And yan. Ang ganda, ang ganda. While watching the trailer, bumabalik ako to sa original na movie ng Joker. Kasi yung hands ko nun yung lahat nung yung from the background, from the colors, sa mood ng trailer, kuha nila to sa una. At ang different lang to sa original, medyo masyado siyang parang dark, very very dark. But here, dark rin siya pero with a touch of musical. Nakita nyo naman to because we know si Lady Gaga singer siya, so yeah. And I'm excited to see Lady Gaga to portray Harley, and kasi alam natin magaling na actress si Lady Gaga, and she loves to do mga characters, iba-ibang characters na nakita natin doon sa mga songs niya. So this one, we wanted to see her. Tingnan natin kung magiging katulad rin siya doon sa portrayal ng isang original na actress, si Margot Robbie, na unang nag-portray ng Harley, diba? Kung similar ba sila, they have different portrayal ng character na Harley. So yun, nakita rin natin sa trailer, hindi masyadong yung parang crazy si Joker compared to sa una. And I don't know, parang katulad rin siya, katulad rin ito ng original na para siyang nasa mind lang niya, pero in reality pa pala yung talagang nakikita natin. So I'm excited for this movie, and nung nalaman kong may wakakad ng sequel to itong Joker, sobrang excited ako kasi nga sobrang na-excite, and at the same time medyo nag-worry rin ako kasi baka maganda yung kwento ng original, and nag-worry ako because baka yun nga mag-fail sa second movie, diba? Pero again, I'm excited for this movie because of yung portrayal ni Joaquin Phoenix as Joaquin, plus yung portrayal din ni Lady Gaga as Harley. So far so good. Maganda yung pinakita sa trailer, and parang nagbigay sa akin ng more interest. Nagkaroon pa ako lalo ng mataas na expectation for this movie because of what I saw sa trailer. So hopefully hindi tayo matisappoint kapag na ipalabas yung movie by October, diba? So yun. So kayo mga quiz, mga atis, nagustuhan nyo pa yung teaser trailer ng Joker 2 or your Joker Foley and Dukes, mag-comment kayo dito sa baba. At kung nagustuhan nyo naman binigay kong comment at opinion at reaction sa movie, mag-comment kayo dito sa baba at babasahin ko lahat mga comments nyo at itatry kong mag-interact sa inyo at sagutin mga comments nyo kung kailangan, diba? So, yun. Before I end this video, please don't forget these 4 things while watching my videos on my channel. Comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channels, The Alex P Show, ang Pinoy Tanawa Channel, Proudly Blondie Vlogs, Tamat Lang People Presents. Maraming salamat. Have a nice day, and bye-bye.